Insane Audio is proud to present the all-new DD2001. It's the ultimate universal head unit that's built tough and contains more technology than anything else on the market. The DD2001 is fully customizable and compatible with literally millions of apps. Receive real-time traffic info from Google Maps or Waze. View satellite imagery on the trail with apps like Backcountry Navigator. And view 3D terrain with Google Earth. Insane NAVENGINE, our legendary navigation software, comes with built-in street maps, trail maps, and full 3D topography, and is designed to work entirely offline. With the push of a button, you can view live engine data, and you can view or even clear fault codes. The DD2001 has built-in support for backup cameras and front-facing rock cameras, and you can even wirelessly control a GOPRO. You can also store an entire movie collection and thousands of albums right on board with no moving parts and no skipping. The DD2001 even lets you stream music from any of the leading radio apps, or catch up on your favorite TV shows. With all of these features and more, Insane Audio's DD2001 is the ultimate dashboard upgrade. Find out more at insaneaudio.com.